So we're looking at the plunger again, but this time it's not for coffee. You can actually foam milk in a coffee plunger. So all you need is some coffee, which I prepared in our little stovetop espresso maker. Heated the milk in the microwave. All you've got to do is pour it into your plunger, pop the top on, and then we're going to press about 10 to 15 times. Just up and down like that. 2, 3, and keep going until we create a bit of foam. This lid can come off, and let's see what we got. It's looking good. Good enough for a little bit of latte art.